The 10th most common vulnerability, according to OWASP, is mishandling of exceptional circumstances. This one's kind of interesting to talk about. All the other areas that were talked about, we've kind of looked about attackers being methodical, right? And injecting code or compromising supply chains, things like that. This one's a little bit kind of more chaotic. So exceptional circumstances can kind of be what happens when a user uses your application in the weirdest possible way. What happens if someone sends a request not in English or using a Latin alphabet? What if they're using Cyrillic or Chinese characters? What happens if someone puts Unicode characters in there? What happens if someone sends like a really, really long payload? This is a really fun one to actually kind of test against because there's a tool called Fuzzing. So I've talked about a different tool called DAST, Dynamic Application Security Testing. And this is a kind of an automated process that kind of attacks your application in a very structured way. It's going to inject code. It's going to do this. It's going to do this. Fuzzing is just kind of like, it's absolutely chaotic friend with ADHD that's just absolutely kind of causing havoc. I have ADHD, so don't be offended by that. That is me. I am the fuzzer in the world. But anyway, fuzzing is basically not attacking your application in a structured way. It's attacking your application in an absolutely chaos way. It's throwing really long payloads. It's going weird characters. It's kind of doing all this stuff to see how your application deals with it. Does it log it properly? Does it handle errors correctly? Or does it break things? Does it create kind of memory issues? Does it kind of allow security vulnerabilities to appear, but in very weird ways? And this one's kind of a lot of fun. And I'm really glad that it's been kind of brought up to the OWASP top 10 because, I kind of like talking about it.